Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make baba ganoush. First, select firm, medium-sized eggplants for the best results. You'll want to roast them until they are very soft and their skin is charred, which is key for that authentic smoky taste. This simple process transforms humble eggplants into a delicious, creamy dip perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a truly flavorful appetizer. To begin, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prick each eggplant several times with a fork to allow steam to escape during roasting. Place them directly on a baking sheet and roast for about 45 to 60 minutes, turning occasionally. They should be completely collapsed and very soft. Once done, let them cool completely before handling. This makes peeling much easier. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: while you're waiting for your eggplants to roast, why not dive into a great book? You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for recipes or your next novel. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, carefully peel the cooled eggplants and discard the skin. Scoop the smoky flesh into a mixing bowl. Add about 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 fresh lemon, and 1 clove of minced garlic. Use a fork or a potato masher to thoroughly mash everything together until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. Don't worry if it's not perfectly smooth. Some texture is great. Next, season your baba ganoush with salt to taste and a small pinch of ground cumin for added depth. Stir well and taste, adjusting seasonings as needed. Transfer the dip to a serving dish. For a beautiful presentation, drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle with freshly chopped parsley. Serve this delightful dip chilled with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or crackers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.